Can you see this eye though? Girl, I am working on a masterpiece. It's turning out so gorgeous. Oh. Hi guys, my name is Quayla. Welcome to this episode. Before we get started, if you're into beauty, I want you to go to www.vicariouslymetv.com and I want you to sign up for my email list for my beauty, fashion, lifestyle blog. I am so excited to complete this with you guys, so let's get started. To complete this eye look, we are using Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. In the Prism palette, we are going to be using Eden. After Eden, we are going to be taking our Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. And in this palette, we are going to be using Dust Teal Dawn. Following that, we are going to be taking Fenty Beauty's Island Bling and Tini Kini. And then we are also going to finish off with Beamin' from the Life's a Festival palette. So those are the products that we're going to be using to complete this eye look. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start by using Eden in my crease area to complete my transition. We're using Artist Couture Sugar Daddy for the brow bone highlight. Oh my God, look at that highlight. Woo! So to take this and put this in the middle center of the eye. It actually works best when you just kind of like swipe it over to the eye. And I did wet the brush. It just got a better payoff, color payoff with that. Now I'm going for the Fenty Beauty Tini Kini. And I'm just going to take this. And this is what we are going to make that almost cut crease look with. I can't talk through this, y'all. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit, and while it's drying, then I'm just gonna take Dust Till Dawn brush that I use for that, and I'm just gonna go lightly over Tini Kini just to kind of blend that center area. And as you can see, that just looks so gorgeous. It just really just blends that in, and it just looks like, it just looks so gorgeous. Now that that is done, we're gonna take Beamin' right here, and we are gonna put that on the inner corner. Then I'm also going to put just a little bit of Sugar Daddy on that, a little bit in there. Then I'm going right back on top of that with Beamin' again. Just like that. So now that we're done with that, I am going to be taking the fluffy brush that I used to do my transition, and I'm just gonna slightly sweep that down here. After that, I'm gonna take this teeny pencil brush, and we are gonna take Dust Teal Dawn, the blue color that we used up there, and we are gonna smudge that on the bottom line. So we're done with that. I am going to be using this little cheapio Wet n Wild liner today. Alright guys, we are definitely almost done with this eye look. I'm so excited about it because it's so pretty, isn't it? Doesn't it look good? Do I look like a little, I don't know, like, don't I just look like an African goddess or something? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I was about to say all kind of other shit, but then I was just like, nah, don't I look like an African goddess? You know what I mean? Like, don't I just look like that? I am so loving this, guys. This is so cute. So to complete this look, we did use the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. We used the Anastasia Prism palette. And we used the Fenty Beauty Island Bling and Tini Kini. So this is how we got this look, guys. I'm so bomb. I'm feeling like this African goddess right now. And okay, because this look is too cute for me to just wipe it off. I can't do that.
She got them booty shots on. DJ drop the bass, she might need a swing, shake that Georgia peach, yeah. She the life of the party when she come, they riding. Drop top jet skis, then rude boy get naughty. When she twerk, they like it, cause she ain't even like that. That's that black girl magic.